Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be teaching you guys how to do this picture frame enlargement. We already have our printed picture out, so we'll start by cutting out the excess paper around the picture. Now we are done. This is the board that we'll use in gumming the picture. It doesn't have a front or back, so we'll start by using our glue and make sure we touch all the parts of the edges of the board. It's now time to gum the paper on the board. Make sure the both edges lap very well. We'll be using our rag to make sure it gums very well on the board by applying a little bit of pressure. The next thing we do is to use a razor or a cutter to cut out the extra paper. This is the frame that we'll be using. It is a 20 by 24 inches frame. We'll start by putting the back of the frame on the table and then put the board. We'll now use our gun tack nail to hold it steadfast into the frame. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see more of our videos. As you can see, it's now inside the frame and very steady. It's time to use our glue to cover the back. We'll be using our glue to touch all the parts of the board. I'll make sure we touch the edges very well so that the paper doesn't come off while we glue it. We'll now use this piece of paper to spread it very well so that the paper gums to the board very well. I now have a razor in my hand. I'll be using it to cut out the excess paper, as you can see in the video. We're already done with our frame. It's just remaining to put the hook for easy hanging on the wall. See how beautiful it is. I will now be using my measurement tape to measure the length. Like I said in the video, this is a 20 by 24. So I'll measure the full and get the center. That's where I'll be putting the hook. And now we are done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.